Why choose us? Point 4. Shading advantages. Long-term ecological control and shading years. Most of the suppliers has very short shading history for their tea tree. Our matcha farm has implemented ecological control and shading grown for over 30 years, which have greatly improved the ecological environment for matcha growing. In addition, with appropriate natural organic fertilizer cultivation and planting management, our matcha leaves have less bitterness, more mellow taste, more water-soluble substances. Shading technologies. Many suppliers using direct shading. The screen for solar shading was covered directly to the tea tree. By this way, the production cost is lower, but the tea leaf will grow at a hot and unventilated environment, which brings some problems. The aroma is light, color is more yellow and less green, bitterness is stronger. Active ingredients such as L-theanine and amino acids contents are very low. The most dangerous thing is, the chemicals in the solar shading net will contaminate the matcha tea leaves such as plasticizer, PAS, etc. We use off-contact shading. The straw screen and solar shading screen are hang at least 1.5-2 meters away from the top of matcha tree, which will block out most of the sunlight. Also give a good and ventilated environment for matcha leaves growth. Promote the bioproduction of many powerful active ingredients. So TianziCare's matcha powder is higher aroma, more green, less bitter taste, savory taste, and rich in nutrient elements free from chemical contamination.